Wait, this is exciting. My gosh. I don't know if you can see it from here, but that's where we need to go, so I have to go down. Hi! The Philippines. Wait, there's a lot of people. Wait lang. Sabi tayo sa mga babae para iwas hawak sa katawan. Hello! Everybody just to show you like a little bit more of what's happening around, how it looks like to be here. So it's literally like this. It literally looks like a festival. And it's not magulo naman. It's just like there's really like a lot of tao.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Ay.
Yeah, again.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No, me no. For everyone? May makeup. Show. Inaaya niya ako magganyan. Huwag na lang. May bayad pala yan. So you have to pay. How much did you pay for that?
10 rupees.
Ha?
10 rupees.
10 rupees. Okay.